Clone control is here! It's time for clone tsunami! Yes, yes. Oh, that could be the new weapon I was waiting for. Oh yeah. This here is the MPH LMG from Frontline. Boom! The very first high-performance belt-fed blaster. We got two 50-round ammo boxes. Nice. With these chain links, and it does take half darts. This thing can shoot 6 rounds per second or 11 rounds per second. Yeah, now let's dry fire this. Oh, I'm loving this. Boom, like that. Easy load. This. Oh yeah, right there, baby. It looks good, it looks good. Did you guys hear that? It's coming from the basement. What the hell's going on here, man? Cereal carts, darts, BG. Have you been to the basement recently?
No, I haven't been to the basement in months.
Yeah, same with me. Okay, thanks. Something's going on here. I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. Oh boy, that was a close one.
I know. Where were we?
Should we play poker for pizza?
We got no pizza.
I know we got no pizza. Loser has to go upstairs to steal it.
Okay, deal.
Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go do this then. Very good, very good.
Okay, I'll play.
What do you mean I play? You don't know how to play poker? You take a deck of cards, man. Take 10 cards each, like this. Then you put a number down one like that, and lowest number wins. Simple.
Okay, deck me.
I knew it.
Oh shit!
You two are going down. Guys, hit that subscribe button right now if you want me to use that new LMG on these two noobs out here. Is it serious?
Like a tsunami.
What's a tsunami? Like food, barbecue chicken or something?
No, dipshit, when wind spin.
What?
Yeah, and then shit flies and hit people's head.
What? Shit from wind?
Yeah, bro.
That sounds crazy.
It's not fun, but let's get ready for Nerf War.
Okay, I'm coming. Welcome to Thunderdome.
Remember, be brave, okay?
Brave, I feel tingles down below. I just might poop.
Shut up and be brave.
Okay, okay. Clone control is here. It's time for clone tsunami. You couldn't hit a backside of a barn, bro.
Oh shit. You're going down!
Oh. Ah, there you are.
Yeah, that's right.
You're a sweet tooth guy, am I right?
I hate sweets.
Oh, I think you're wrong. I think you won't be able to resist this.
No, don't show me nothing. Zebra cake? Why zebra cake?
Take it. I won't shoot you. In fact, I'll just leave.
No way, this is a trick.
No, no trick. I got work to do anyways. All right? Yeah.
Shit.
Guess who's back?
You said you won't shoot me.
I lied. Now you two better clean up.